Quarry Trails. That's the trail we're on today with Leroy. West Quarry. Why is that hard to say for me? West Quarry Trails. Nice hike. Says it's a 3.5 kilometer round trip. I think about a kilometer in so far. Hey, can you stop stopping? No, trail's closed. Interesting. Ski trail. Ah. Oh, I see. Here, leave it. Trying to see a beachfront over there. Kind of see a beach area over there, but I don't know how we're gonna get in there because all these trees are in there. Hopefully there's a little opening somewhere to take a peek. Looks like there's an opening here. Oh, this is cool. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Oh man, look at these rocks. Okay. Rock skipping stones for as far as the eye can see. Oh man. What a beautiful spot. Perfect location for skipping stones. All the stones across there were just perfect for throwing. I don't know if I'd come back here, but I can check this place off my list of locations I've never been to before to now check off as I have been. Yeah, I haven't really been out to this direction. I haven't really been into the Hecla area before. So this is quite nice to check it out. Might be cool if you're in the area for a photo shoot or something, because it does have a neat concave piece to it. Yeah. Let's head back to the truck and see if we find any other spots.